garden. Oh yeah. Black roses in my garden. Oh yeah. Okay. Back with another live stream. Alright, cool. Any of you trading live? In my garden. Oh yeah. Black roses in my garden. Alright. Shut this door. Black roses in my garden. Oh yeah. To keep a carrot, you got to water it. Don't you see? Something special was in my garden. Oh yeah. Black on in my garden. Hey. Alright, let's see what we got. Let's see what we got going on here. Let's see what we got going on.
Haven't seen that bid into the long end interrupted by maybe some issuance fears. A lot of haven bids going on right now as we take a look at these tech earnings, which haven't really impressed so far.
Yeah, I think it's fair to say that, you know, we're getting some differing views on how the year looks. Alphabet shares sinking, AMD sinking. We still got Amazon to hear from tomorrow, so we'll wait on that. We also got not tech, but Ford after the bell today. We're going to be hearing from Jim Farley on the close as well.
Yeah, looking forward to that conversation. And don't forget NVIDIA in a couple weeks.
Oh yeah, already looking forward to that one.
Who knows what the world will look like then. But coming up, it's the opening bell. Stick with us. We'll take you through the market action. This is Bloomberg.
Money day, guys and girls. Hope you're blessed. Now you're here. How my hair looks, okay? My hair's alright. It's alright. It's cool, man. You can run with that. Yeah, hope you lot are good. Looking to get into some Bitcoin trades throughout this afternoon now. My LWV strategy is really popping. It's really popping with this pops of anything, really. I've kind of shown you guys this before. Maybe you guys have listened, maybe you haven't, but hopefully this afternoon we might be able to catch some trades. We've got earnings reports coming out today. I'm just looking at reports of the big dog. Amazon tomorrow. Can't see no big dogs today. News-wise, we don't have anything either today. Tomorrow, though, we've got the pound interest rate, Bank of England
Joe
interest
Walsh
rate.
is helping steer J&J into a new phase of its history,
Friday,
expanding the frontiers of
it's popping
healthcare
off tomorrow.
by discovering drugs and advancing medical technology.
Developing digital robotic capabilities where it's not just the robot doing a surgical procedure.
What I found, I've
it's
backtested
garnering information from that procedure
over the past
for your specific demographic or the
year and a half
patient's
worth of data
demographic,
on the hourly
and then
chart.
informing the next
And in actual
procedure down
fact,
the road.
as
It's
you can
getting
see,
smarter. I would say it's starting
price
to
is really
morph
bouncing
into
off of these, which is
personalized
giving me
medicine,
areas
which we
to be
know
able
will
to
lead to the
short,
best
to
outcomes.
buy and to sell.
Innovative medicine and medtech are run as separate business divisions, but in
is
the
the
culture
LWV
of research at
doesn't look
J&J,
pretty.
they interact.
Doesn't look pretty.
If you look at some of the spaces that we're in today, specifically oncology, there is a lot of dialogue going back and forth. I think it's something that will position us extremely well as we talk about not only a continuum of care, but also a continuum of knowledge.
The convergence of technology and medicine is driving innovation in both sectors, with scientific and commercial possibilities just beginning to come into focus.
I'd like to actually see some partnerships down the road happen between healthcare companies and technology companies. I think we'd get to better outcomes faster if we did that. Right now, technology companies don't have the healthcare knowledge. Healthcare companies probably don't have the breadth of knowledge they need for technology. If we can figure that out together with great minds from both sides, I think that leads to a much better place.
Can you hear me?
There is this real momentum.
Sounds like you got a video playing.
We are basically deep in the European earnings season.
Can you hear me? Yo. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Testing, 1 2 1 2. All right. Let me know if you can hear me, man. Jeez. All right. We're getting that push up again. Getting that push again. See if we get that push. Let me see what the NASDAQ is doing. NASDAQ is pushing. All right, little pullbacks. VIX is coming down. Bitcoin Trust, what's that doing? Not really doing much. Okay, market's a bit flat right now though. That I will say. Market's definitely a bit flat. Where is the Streamlabs thing? Let's see. Yeah, you can hear us. All right, perfect. Yeah, money day, guys, man. That's mad. I've been chatting to myself this whole time thinking you lot could hear me. I think I know what it was. The desktop audio was switched on this thing here. So, yeah, that was Bloomberg that I had playing. It wasn't no someone said you got hold music playing. That is funny. Dubs. No hold music, my boy. No hold music. But that is Bloomberg's little commercial break music. Ding 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 ding. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. I hear that in my sleep, that tune there. Trust me. But yeah, what I was saying, and I'll start again. I was saying to you guys, look, this is the LWV strategy which I have mastered to perfection. Why? Because I've spent the hours, I've spent the time backtesting it now. This is Bitcoin, okay? So across BTC, what I've got here for you guys to be able to see is I've got all of these pink lines. I don't know why I'm pointing to the screen like you guys can see it. All of these pink zones, these represent session candles, right? And for those of you who haven't watched my LWV session candle strategy video, it's free. It's on my YouTube channel. Go and watch it, okay? It's a 50-minute video. Get your popcorn, get your pen and papers. It's a good fucking strategy. Excuse me. Yeah, it's a good strategy. And past that being said, okay, why I'm saying this to you is because I've been able to catch moves out of all of these different areas, okay? All of these different areas, guys. Hold on, let me just see what's going on here. Okay, yeah. I've been able to catch a trade out of all of these areas, guys, right? Yesterday, I sent out a buy. Bitcoin's coming down right now, so we could actually get a potential buy. But I sent out a buy, okay? For those of you who are on my copy trade, I sent out, I bought this. I didn't even send it out. I bought this down here, and it pushed all the way up. Now, this is 8,297 pips. Guys, you have to understand, this is the big league here, right? This is the big league. What did I do? How did I find this? How did I find it worked? What time did I use? Blah, 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 blah. So many questions. I sat down for 2.5 hours on the charts. I went back as far as I could on the 1 hour time frame, and I went all the way back. I went back as far as I could go. Yes, back, and I marked out all the hourly session candles, and I wanted to see how price reacted against them. This is what it takes sometimes, guys. Look, the date here was January the 23rd of January, 2024. This is what it takes. You guys might see me here, finish articles, see my profits on the screen and be like, oh, he's such a great trader. But it takes for you to go back into the fucking dungeons. Oh, shit. Why'd I do that? Sorry. Yeah. It takes us to go back into the dungeons, actually backtest your strategy, see if it works. And then by the time you get to the most recent price data, you should start to feel a lot more confident and comfortable with it. That's currently where I'm at right now. So I'm telling you guys this for free. You ain't got to buy no course. You ain't got to buy nothing of mine. Don't buy anything of mine. If I tell you to buy something, I'm on drugs. Yeah? It's free. It's free. That is the best way I can describe it. So if you haven't already, smash the like button on the video and subscribe if you haven't already, because that actually helps me. That is free. Just like how this strategy I'm giving to you, which I used to charge people for, is for you for free. The same how you can press that subscribe or that like button. Smash the like button. To be honest with you, even if you press the like button or not, I can't even see it because I don't really know how to use this thing. I'm live streaming on Streamlabs, but I can't see the channel. Let me see the channel. I need to go onto the YouTube channel to see if you guys are actually pressing that button. I'm going to go on there. Hold on. All right, let's push it on this screen here. But yeah, so look, you know, price pushed up here, came down at this session candle here, bounced off of this one, came down this one, bounced off of this one. You understand? Obviously, I could have had more session candles marked out, but this is what you have to kind of realize. If you have so many session candles marked out, you end up probably not actually taking any trades because there's so much areas where price is just reacting from. So you have to know, of course, you know, which ones to mark and which ones not to. But let me try and log in because this is taking me onto this Google. I don't want it to take me to Google. Oh, sorry, it's taking me to wrong account. I think it will push up though. Look. From this session, from this zone here, really, I think we're going to Cali, and even from this one here, we're pushing up, man. So we haven't actually been able to catch this trade, unfortunately. We also want to look at the higher time frame as well, price action, to see, you know, what type of images, what type of pictures can we see on the higher time frame to help us better understand price action. What has this logged me into? Okay. It has. Click the link in bio. Okay, so it works. So how do I view how do I view this then? Let me view this. YouTube. Smash that like button if you haven't smashed it already, maricon. Coño. Guys, YouTube. What's going on with this thing, man? Why is it taking me back to there? Come on. YouTube.com. You're just fucking about. YouTube.com. Okay. Alright, let me go to my channel. I should have probably done this beforehand, if I'm honest with you. I never really watched myself back. But there I am there. Okay, cool. I see myself. Yeah, cool. Alright, well look, yeah. So wait, so there's only 2 people press the like button. What's that about? I'm going to give you a strategy, guys, that will change your whole trading game. I'm giving it to you free. I'm giving it to you free. Free. Do you understand what that means? I've made several £1,000s. Several. Okay, I've made 6 figures trading this strategy. That's not a lie. Most people want to give you stuff online for free because they want to rope you in for you to buy something else. Well, guess what? My business model changed 2025. Everything's for free. You don't have to buy nothing off of me. And I'm telling you this, rather than you guys surfing through the internet, watching different videos, trying to figure out strategies and, this strategy is good for the 1 minute, this one's good for the 5 minute. Forget all of that, bro. I'm telling you something that works for me that can work for you. My 15-year-old cousin learned this. 15. There is no reason for you guys to think otherwise, to doubt me. I'm telling you this. If I can teach a 15-year-old how to make money with this strategy, you guys can do the exact same thing. You can do the exact same thing. I'm catching 8,000 pips on a trade. 8,000. To some people, this is insane because most of these traders online, they're getting a hard on over 20 pips. They're like, yeah, market smash, 20 pips, 20 pips. Bro, do you know how much heartache they probably got to go through for 20 pips? Forget all of that. We're look at these trades. Look at these fucking trades. Look at this entry from up here. Look at this short. It's 9,000 pip drop. That's the only amount I caught. I could have lied to you and come on here like, yeah, I caught this whole move. I didn't. That's 14,000. I caught 9,000. But hey, I'm happy with that. I'm content with that. Did you get it? I'm content with that. Maybe you don't think I'm lying. How can I show this? Go into my account. Let me go into my account and show you guys. Even though I don't need to do this, but this is the best way that I can probably show you. So, fuck it. Let's go into my account here. All right. You can see it says live account. Can you see it? Let me see. Can you see that? Some people are scared that they'll get hacked, but you lot ain't gonna hack me. You lot love me. But look. Okay. It says live account. Let me watch that back on the replay. You can't really see it, but you can see it here. Okay. This is on gold. Can you see that? 22,000 on gold. I had some losses, but we finished with 22,000. Yeah, that's on gold. Now I can show you my other account where I actually trade Bitcoin. This account here is up 27,000 trading Bitcoin. Yeah, 27,000 trading Bitcoin, and it's a live account. It's live. That message is in the way. It's live. So there's no fugazi shit. I'm showing you guys something that actually works for me. I made 20. Let me take a screenshot and let me post it somewhere. Where the fuck do I post this? I'll post it in the Discord quickly. I'll post it in the profit section. Profits live stream. I'll say live stream profits, because I don't want to cap to you guys. I don't want you guys who are new to the channel to think that I'm just out here just on some fugazi shit. I'm really gonna show you guys that I really trade, and not only do I really trade, but that my strategies fucking work. So look, I just posted it in my Discord. Let me go into my Discord quickly. Okay, here in my Discord, not bot profits. This is the guys who use my bot. Where is it? Profits here. Live stream profits. I just uploaded this. Yeah. This is the screenshot I was trying to show you lot. Can you zoom in? No, you can't zoom in, but you can see it. Can you see that? You must be able to see that. Yeah, you can. 27,000. Look. I take losses as well. Losses are a part of the game, snakes and ladders. Yeah? I take losses as well, guys. But guess what? Because I back my strategy and because I know it makes sense, I also am able to get very fucking busy. So when you see all these lines on my charts, don't be thinking that I'm just some maricon talking nonsense trying to say to you, like, oh yeah, I'm a trader. And I'm showing you, lot, man, these are the keys right here. Nothing pretty about what I'm telling you. It's just facts. Nothing pretty about it. This is hard work. This is hours of me grinding and putting myself in a position where I'm having to learn more about this pair. I had to find this specific time frame that actually works on this. I had to find that. It took me hours to find it, but I found it. So my question is this: if I can be £27,000 deep in the game in terms of profit that I make trading this, then, and I'm still putting in hours of revision into the charts, then why can't you? Why can't you do the same thing? That's my question. If I can make 27 bags trading this pair and still put in 3 hours on the charts, revising, trying to figure out how to perfect it, why the fuck can't you do the same? That is the question you guys need to be asking yourself. So again, if you're here on the stream, afternoon Monday, yeah, money day, not Monday. That's right, Monday. No, it's not even Monday. But we're here in the flesh. CJ, Shogun. That's a big show, you know. That's a big TV show. Shogun. Yeah. Shogun. Who watched Shogun? Let me know. That was a serious show. But yeah, if you haven't already, smash the like button. I need those likes. Like. Smash up the likes. I need you to tap that shit like it's running out of fashion. Tap that shit, B. You feel me? Tap that shit, because it just helps the algorithms. It helps me get my shit out there. I'm a crazy guy at heart, you know. I know you guys think I'm some proper cool, like, professional guy. I'm a crazy motherfucker named Ice Cube. So, yeah, you know, it's just facts. It's just facts that I'm spitting to you guys. I want you guys to learn. I want you guys to earn. I want you to earn. I'm making my job 10 times easier because I add the Bitcoin Trust. Okay, I add the Bitcoin Trust. I add it to my analysis. What do I mean by that? Well, if this goes up pre-market, or if this goes down, wherever this is going, Bitcoin's going to follow it. So I add this to my list so that I can make better decisions in terms of my bias for Bitcoin. Right now, it's not really doing much though. It's a bit flat, and you know, there's a lot of noise around Trump at the moment. So I'm probably expecting the markets to be quite stale today. You know, maybe tomorrow the markets pick up, and Friday because we've got NFP. But right now it's pretty stale. I also look at the Nasdaq. The Nasdaq also helps me understand what Bitcoin is doing. If the Nasdaq is pumping, then it gives me more assurance to believe in Bitcoin. Of course, right now we can see it's pushing up. So, you know, we're naturally going to believe that Bitcoin should be looking to do the same. But the thing is with Bitcoin, guys, is it can have a 200-300 pip pullback, you know? And a 200-300 pip pullback, that shit can be deadly. You dig? You know what I mean? That shit can be really deadly. So, yeah, it's really important to just count your blessings when it comes to trading Bitcoin, and taking your time. You know, taking my time with this. I'm not putting myself. I'm not putting myself under no duress by trying to pretend to see things happening. See how I trade is I like to react. You know, some people, some of you here might be as well. Let me know in the comment section. But some people, they tend to want to review. They tend to want to look at the markets, and they try to make their analysis based off of that one particular pair. Meaning they'll look at Bitcoin and they'll be like, okay, well, Bitcoin's got this and it's got that. All right, I'm going to buy it. I don't like to do that. I like to look at other instruments to help me understand the bias for Bitcoin. That's what I like to do. That makes more sense for me, because then it's like I've got less stress in my head, and it's just an easier way of trading. It's an easier way of trading. I'm not having to worry about what price action is saying. Of course, I'm still going to look at price action. I'm still going to look at things that can help me understand where to get into buying Bitcoin, because I don't just look at other instruments and say, oh, I'm buying it straight away. No, you still need to identify areas, but you need other things to help you. That's what I'm trying to say here. You need other sources of information, right? Some people use indicators. I just use different instruments. So yeah. Who's had a good week so far trading anyway? What are you guys trading? What's happening over there? Markets are a bit dry, man. Not really doing much. Let me set my alert here for the Nas. For the Nazi Nas. Set my alert. Nasdaq up. So when it gets up, we can see where I've gone. The E-mini, set my alert as well. When that gets up, we can see where I've gone. I do think Bitcoin is probably going to keep pushing though. If you look at what gold's been doing with the all-time highs, I don't see why Bitcoin wouldn't push up and go towards those highs as well, you know? Gold is just, it's in its own world. It's the highest it's ever been. It's in its own world, guys. Gold is in its own fucking world. Silver, I've been saying to you guys for a long time, for those of you who are new to my channel or whatever, buy silver. Silver is one of the most underappreciated assets in the commodity sector. Buy physical silver. Can't go wrong. Haven't you lot seen those coins, those 50p coins, them silver coins? They're going for some bread. What? You can get a silver coin, a 50p silver coin's worth like, I seen one go for like 3,000. I seen one on eBay for 179,000 euros for a 50p coin. You know, so I'm just saying, look, the GDX is up. Because the GDX is up, gold's gonna keep pumping. So I'm not even bothering to look at gold. I'll look at gold as a fan just to be like, wow. You know, in Toy Stories when they got those aliens in the fucking machine, they're like, the claw. I need to find a cutscene where I can do that. The claw. Because yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm just looking at it. I'm just looking at Bitcoin. Sorry, I'm looking at gold really and just being a spectator of it. Being a spectator. Nothing wrong with being a spectator, you know. So yeah. Bitcoin though, it's kind of in a range as well. You know, it came down, which was great. We had a nice area for it to push up with. It's pushed up, it's come back down. Now we do need it to go towards 104, at least 102, take out these highs. We need it to do that. It would make sense for it to do that. Does it do that right now? I don't know. But the Bitcoin trust is not really moving, man. It's a bit dry. It's a bit dry. It's a bit dry. But we're currently in some trades through the copy trading app. We're in some buys for Bitcoin. Let's see how they play out. Money day. Shogun. Yeah, looking at the DXY while deciding to trade GBP/USD was a game changer. Yeah, bro, man. Make your job easier. Make your job easier. Even the DXY, you know, the DXY is more correlated to the euro than it is to the pound. So you would have more success looking at Euro USD than you would GBP/USD against the DXY. And Moyo, Mr. Moyo, your name is Fenji. I hope I haven't pronounced it incorrectly. Afternoon, Cavell. Hope we are all good. All good, my bro. All good. You're out here using the governments, boy. All good, man. All good. Yes, Cavell. Everyone's just Cavelling up the place, boy. Cavelling up the place. My YouTube name must say Cavell. It's crazy. It's crazy, wallah. But yeah, hope everyone is blessed. For those of you who know my dog Money, man. She's a female. And she's nearly one. She's going to be one at the end of this month. And she's just experienced her first woman cycle. So it's crazy, wallah. It's crazy. She's running around with a nappy on downstairs. I just went out the house to go shopping with my maid. I come back. I left her in the garden because I thought you can definitely not stay in the house while I'm gone, you know. And yeah, man, she shit up the nappy, boy. It's not looking good. It's looking like a crime scene out there. So my maid's just cleaning out the garden now. But yeah, thought I'd share that with you guys. Not sure why, but here you are. Here we go. Okay, so look, if this comes down, like I said, Bitcoin will also come down with it as well. So, you know, right now it is coming down. Where's my other screen? Let's get that on the go. Let's see Wagwan, bro. Let's see Wagwan, bro. Yeah. But price action is really dead today. I'm not even going to lie to you guys and make it seem like it's not, or make it seem like US 30 is coming down. Okay. Price action is just bleeding today. We're not really seeing much. US 30 could be in our pullback zone right now. The Nasdaq, it's just kind of dry. It is kind of dry. But hey, what do I know? I'm just a PIMP. I'm just a PIMP. So yeah, if the GDX does continue to push down lower, then that is of course going to push down Bitcoin with it. The Nasdaq's not really doing much. So there isn't really much to go off of, if I'm honest with you guys, right this second. There isn't really much to go off. We do want prices to push up. We want prices to push up. Like Meek Mill said, get up. we want prices to push up. So, yeah, we're just going to be patient and sit through this. Let me open up this YouTube thing because I can't see those questions if you ask any. Have you done an LWV strategy on BTC before? Yeah, I just showed you guys just now. So yeah, I mean, the LWV strategy, it works on anything. When you say have I done it on it before, which is, I don't know what you mean by before. I mean, look, these are the lines. These pink lines are the LWV strategy, right? So, you know, I sat down one day and I thought, look, you know, Bitcoin seems to be the pair that is kind of giving me the most movement right now. Let me put the LWV on it to see if it works. You know, obviously I had to find the time zone that worked, and hadn't really looked back since. So yeah, of course you've got to put yourself in a position, guys, where you're testing things and you're not afraid to test them, you know, back testing, of course. But once you find your strategy, you just double down on it. And yeah, no, I haven't made a video on it yet. No, I haven't made a video. Maybe I will, but maybe I won't, if I'm honest with you. It's a bit long. It's a bit long. It's a bit long. I've already done a video with the LWV strategy, so that's it. It works on every pair. My job is to make your job as easy as possible, but it's also not for me to make my job as long as possible, you know? But if there's a big demand for it, hey, I don't see a problem with me doing a video at some point. It's not a problem. No problemo. No problemo. Money day, bro. Spent last night drawing my eye level on BTC. Damn, now I understand why you have been going in on it every day. It's money for sure. Bosco, money. It definitely is, bro. I mean, look, at the end of the day, yeah, I'm a price action trader. I'm only going to trade. I'm only interested in trading pairs that are giving me the most price action. That's it. Some people are like, oh, I want to stick to this pair, stick to that pair. Cool, you can stick to whatever you want, but what's the point of you trading something just because it sounds cool? Because the whole market trades GBP, JPY. Fuck GBP, JPY. You know what I'm saying? Why am I trading it just because everyone else is trading it? I'm going to trade the pairs that make me the money. That's what I'm here to do. I'm here to get paid. I'm not here to be trading pairs just because it sounds good, because it looks good. I'm here to get paid. That's what I'm here to do. I'm here to get paid, not laid. So, you know, based off of that, yeah, I'm trading Bitcoin right now. Maybe in a month's time, I'll be back to trading Euro NZD. Who knows? But right now, I'm trading where all the juice is at. And to trade that, I want to make sure I can navigate throughout it in the safest way possible. And to do that means that I have to have some type of strategy in place. Can't just be trading it based off of the setups that I see, you know? Bitcoin is tumbling down right now, though. I ain't going to hold you lot. I'm wondering if it's just pulling back. I'm wondering if we're just pulling back or if we're just trying to tumble. But we are pushing into this zone, so let's see, man. Let's see. So yeah, is it 1 hour candle? Is it 1 hour candle? Session stick also is you gotta type better than that, George. I don't even know what the fuck that means. Honestly, you're hurting my eyes with that, man. Hurting my eyes, man. Hurting my eyes, man. Hurting my eyes, dog. Yeah. Yo, bro. What you saying? I'm on my stream at the moment. Yeah. I'll probably end it soon still. Yeah. Yeah, no, calm. Give me a sec. Cool. Yeah. So yeah, guys. Yeah. Close out on these Bitcoin buys. Why? Because could be buying too early. So I want to watch it right now to see what's happening, because I think we could come back down into this area to push up higher. I'll give you a question another go. Is it 1 hour? Is it the 1 hour candle on the US session? Okay. Is it the 1 hour candle on the US session stick? Also, will it be any different on weekends? Yeah, exactly, bro. Exactly that. Like, it's going to be different on all different time. It's going to be, I'm not using this, the US session. Yes, you can use the US session. At the end of the day, you see with the session candle strategy, yeah, it's going to be related to the pair you're currently trading, so BTCUSD, you know. But the only difficult thing is that you've got 2:30 p.m., which is the stock exchange open, and then you've got 1 p.m., which is the New York Stock Exchange. So which one do you go for? 2:30 p.m. would be the better one to go for. I found I got better moves taking place from 9 p.m. though, so I'm not even using the New York Stock Exchange open. I'm using 9 p.m. My session candles is based off of the 9 p.m. candle. It's based off of the Sydney session open. Like I went through each session candle to find which one it was responding better from, and it was the Sydney one. So there's no gatekeep here. I'm keeping it a buck with you guys, giving you guys the free ball, man. Giving y'all the free ball. 9 p.m. That's what I use. That is what I use. So yeah, that's it. That's it. But yeah, look, it was a quick stream from me today. I'm gonna jump off because I want to look into some trades. So if you lot are copying me, you lot will probably be making some money. If you're not copying me, then you're probably gonna miss out. But yeah, I need to lock in right now, guys. So I'm out. Money day.